Assalamu alaikum students. I am Humaira Tahir, your English teacher, and it is your grammar class. Yesterday we completed the first two forms of past tenses, the past indefinite and the past continuous tense. And now we are going to start the third form of past tense, that is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to indicate a completed action of the past that happened before another event took place. At the end of Urdu sentences, the words like chuka tha, chuki thi, chuke the comes at the end, and the formation of the affirmative sentences is subject, then helping verb had, third form of verb, and then object. Examples are I had completed my home task till sunset. सूरज गरूब होने तक मैं अपना घर का काम मुकम्मल कर चुका था. The teams had reached the stadium before time. टीमें वक्त से पहले स्टेडियम पहुंच चुकी थीं. The sun had not set before 5 o'clock. 5 बजे से पहले सूरज गरूब नहीं हो चुका था. The girls had already sung a song. लड़कियां पहले से नगमा गा चुकी थीं. The match had ended when I reached the stadium. जब मैं स्टेडियम पहुंचा तो मैच खत्म हो चुका था. Adverbs of time which are usually used in these type of sentences are before, after, when, already, till yesterday, by 15th May, by the end of the week, and so on. Next are negative sentences. The formation of negative sentence is subject, then had as a helping verb, then not plus third form of verb, and then object. Examples: we had not seen him before. हमने उसे पहले नहीं देखा. हम उसे पहले नहीं देख चुके थे. It had not rained yet. उस वक्त तक बारिश नहीं हो चुकी थी. He had not applied for the job. उसने मुलाजमत के लिए दरखास्त नहीं दी थी. I had not sold my property before 1986. 1986 से पहले मैं अपनी जायदाद फरोख्त नहीं कर चुका था. He had not gone to school before you arrived. तुम्हारे पहुंचने से पहले वो स्कूल नहीं जा चुका था. Next है interrogative sentences. The formation are first of all the helping verb had, then subject, third form of verb, and then object. Who had built such a grand building before Taj Mahal? ताज महल से पहले इतनी शानदार इमारत किसने तामीर की थी? Since when had the shopkeeper decorated the shop? दुकानदार ने दुकान कब से सजा रखी थी? Had your brother already passed this examination? क्या तुम्हारे भाई ने पहले ही ये इम्तिहान क्या तुम्हारा भाई पहले ही ये इम्तिहान पास कर चुका था? Had the patient died before the treatment started? क्या इलाज शुरू होने से पहले मरीज मर चुका था? Had you already read the history of Islam? क्या तुम पहले ही तारीख़ इस्लाम पढ़ चुके थे? No, the fourth form of the past tense is past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to indicate the action in the past that began before a certain point in the past and continued up until that time. Recognition of this type of sentences, the words like ta raha tha, thi rahi thi, te rahe the comes at the end, and the important point is this, that here time is mentioned in these type of sentences. Formation of this sentence is affirmative sentence, subject had been plus first form ing, object since and for, and then time. For the point of time we use since, and for the period of time we use for. Examples are he had been writing a letter for 1 hour. वो 1 घंटे से खत लिखता रहा था. You had been preparing the speech since Tuesday. तुम मंगल से तकरीर की तैयारी करते रहे थे. I had been waiting for you since noon. मैं दोपहर से तुम्हारा इंतजार करता रहा था. We had been swimming for 3 hours. हम 3 घंटों से तैराकी करते रहे थे. Salma had been washing clothes since morning. सलमा सुबह से कपड़े धोती रही थी. Then negative sentences. Formation is subject plus had, not been plus first form ing, object, since and for and then time. Examples are the boy had not been wasting time since 2 o'clock. लड़का 2 बजे से वक्त जाया नहीं करता रहा था. The hen had not been laying eggs for 3 days. मुर्गी 3 दिन से अंडे नहीं देती रही थी. The friends had not been talking for 20 minutes. दोस्त 20 मिनट से बातें नहीं करते रहे थे. You had not been reading the newspaper since October. तुम अक्टूबर से अखबार नहीं पढ़ते रहे थे. My brother had not been taking the examination since the 11th. मेरा भाई 11 तारीख से इम्तिहान नहीं देता रहा था. Then interrogative sentences. Formation is had, then subject, been plus first form ing, since and for and then time. Examples are had the children been playing for an hour? क्या बच्चे 1 घंटे से खेलते रहे थे? Why had the people been clapping for 5 minutes? लोग 5 मिनट से तालियां क्यों बजाते रहे थे? Where had they been burying the treasure since 1981? 1981 से वो खजाना कहाँ दफन करते रहे थे? Had the hounds been chasing the rabbit since 8 o'clock? क्या शिकारी कुत्ते 8 बजे से खरगोश का पीछा करते रहे थे? Had you been applying for this post since March? क्या तुम मार्च से इस पोस्ट के लिए दरखास्त देते रहे थे? Okay. Now you have to open your English grammar composition book and start doing exercises from 101 to 108. And these exercises are related to past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So you need to prepare yourself and go through all the exercises related to the past tenses. Get ready for yourself for the test next time. Okay. Allah Hafiz.